What's up guys, it's me Bayad and you are watching Tech Expode. I'm back with a new video and it's time to take a look on brand new phone which is OnePlus 6T. Well, for going further, if you are new to my channel then please subscribe my channel for more and click the bell icon for more latest videos. So let's get started. The OnePlus 6T is a hero phone without the sky-high price. This is the good thing because if you were looking for a top phone, you should know about the OnePlus 6T. In a market where premium phones that go for more than $700, sometimes topping even $1,000. It offers much of the same top-tier hardware, including a speedy Snapdragon 845 chipset, great dual rear cameras, and the latest Android Pie for $100 less. The OnePlus 6T is a fantastic phone that costs much less than its competitors. And if the company continues to make inroads with carriers and retailers in the US and other countries, I won't be long before I won't have to explain what it is at my next social gathering. So if you don't know the OnePlus by now, it's time you do. After months of rumors, speculation and official statement, Chinese phone maker OnePlus finally unveiled its latest flagship, the OnePlus 6T. On the surface, the phone looks similar to the OnePlus 6 predecessor, which was only released 5 months ago in May, but there are important differences. First, the OnePlus 6T is the first widely available phone in the US to have an in-screen fingerprint reader. You can scan your fingerprint on the front of display to unlock your screen. Meanwhile, the phone retains its thin bezels all around since the sensor is embedded underneath the screen. Because of the Fingerprint-On-Display, the 6T is also the first OnePlus phone to abandon the headphone jack. If you don't already have a pair of wireless headphones, there's a dongle included in the box. OnePlus also sells USB Type-C wired earbuds. The phone's notch is also smaller. It's now a less obtrusive teardrop shape instead of a black tab. If you still hate the notch too, you can blacken the sides for a more traditional look. Running Google's latest Android 9.0 Pie out of the box, the OnePlus 6T incorporates many of Pie updates including gesture navigation, adaptive battery and more options to tweak your phone setting when it's in Do Not Disturb mode. OnePlus also slightly improved the 6T camera. Though all hardware specs remain the same, there's a new dedicated night mode that supposedly captures better low-light pics. OnePlus claims the 6T also handles lighting better for people portraits. As a big screen phone with a 6.41-inch display, the OnePlus 6T goes up against the Pixel 3 XL, Galaxy S9 Plus and iPhone XS Max. Overall, the OnePlus 6T delivers notable new changes to the OnePlus line, while iterating on already excellent OnePlus 6. If you are looking for an affordable top-notch Android, consider the 6T. But if you already have the 6, don't feel the need to update, especially if you want to hold on to your headphone jack. OnePlus 6T camera, minor but welcome improvements. To all hardware specs between the 6 and 6T's camera remains the same. OnePlus updated the latter software to take brighter, more detailed shots with the overall aim to improving photo quality. And on the whole, the OnePlus 6T has a niceable camera that takes vibrant and sharp photos. The OnePlus 6T captures slightly better low-light images than its predecessor. The fine details in this dog's fur are sharp and in focus. In this well-lit outdoor shot, you can see the wide dynamic range and vibrant colors. A close-up shot of flowers taken on all 4 phones. Note how the OnePlus 6T photo is more blown out than the others. OnePlus 6T performance and battery. Equipped with the same Snapdragon 845 chipset as the OnePlus 6, the OnePlus 6T works just as smoothly and steadily as its predecessor. The speed of fingerprint reader is fine when it comes to day-to-day tasks, but I would like it to work even faster. Rendering pictures on camera's nightscape mode can also stand to work a beat or two quicker. The OnePlus 6T feels as fast as the top phone I would tried. I am not finished with the battery drainage test yet. but a preliminary run clock over 16 Hz for continuous video playback on airplane mode. That's an excellent time, considering that the OnePlus 6 average was already at a solid 15 Hz and 38 minutes. Thanks for watching. Hit like if you enjoyed this video and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Peace out.